Blue.
Don't dip it all the way.
Don't
dip
eat
it halfway.
it, silly girl. Okay.
You blew in.
What color do you have, Adeline?
Let's see what color.
What color is it today?
Okay. Are we all done?
Ooh, it's kind of interesting.
Okay, wipe them off. Clean them off. Wipe them. Wipe it off.
I'm still making blue.
What color is yours, Adeline?
Blue.
Purple, too, I see. What other color? Harper, where's your egg? Show Grandma your egg.
Harper. What color is your egg? Can you say pink?
Oh, okay.
Oh, boy. Oh, Mom.
Oh, my fingers are green now.
This was a good idea.
I think they're at the
Harper.
age they're not ready for anything.
Did you break your eggs? What happened? Uh-oh. What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We're done. All right,
Are you going to open it?
Okay, we're going to decorate them now.
We're going to decorate. We're doing decorations. Stop. Or